If your website is suddenly dropping, or if you are suspecting spammy backlink on your website, then you should watch this video. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can find toxic backlinks and how to use Google Disavow Tool to remove backlinks safely. So there are various ways you can identify spammy backlinks. First one is the Google Search Console itself. So if you log into your Search Console, you will see a link option. Here you will see the external link. Just click on here, and here you can see all the pages that have backlinks. So let's click on any of the pages, and here you can see the linking website. Let me click on here, and this is the URL. Let me open it. And if you suspect this is a spammy website, then you can copy the URL of this website. Let me copy that, and I want to disavow this link in Google Search Console. So for this you need to create a text file. So I have already created a text file here, and you can see I have added few domains that are spammy. So here I can just simply add the URL, and if you want to add the whole domain, then you have to put the domain colon, and then you have to enter the domain here. So this will block the whole domain. So if multiple URL pointing to your website, then this will block the whole domain. And if you want to block individual URLs, then you can directly use the URL format here like this. So here you can see the guidelines how to create the disavow text file. So here you can directly add the URL, or you can add the whole domain in this format. And once you created the txt file, you need to save this as a .txt format file like disavow.txt. And once the file is created, you need to go to this URL. I will include the URL link in the description. All you have to do is select the URL property here. So the domain property won't work. So you need to create a URL property for your website. And once you click on that, you will see an option like this. So I have already uploaded the disavow.txt file. If you want to upload, then you can upload it here. So let me click on replace, and here I will select the new disavow.txt file. Now as you can see, we have blocked 28 domains and 1 URLs that are disallowed. So what is the purpose of disavow tool? Because it tells Google that you don't trust these backlinks. So remove those backlinks while evaluating your website. So in this way you can improve your authority and improve your rankings, and you can significantly reduce the impact of bad backlinks on your website. So the main question is how you can find toxic backlinks. The first method is that you can use the Google Search Console. You can also use the Bing Webmaster Tool to check the backlinks profile of your website, or you can use tools like Ahrefs. Here create a free account and verify your website using Google Search Console. So let me click on the website. Now here you will see this option backlink. Just click on that. Here you will see the list of backlinks that is pointed to your website, and let me scroll down, and you can see spam. So Ahrefs mark this as a spam, so you can open this URL and check whether this backlink is spam or not. Let me click on that, and as you can see, this is a spammy website. It looks like a directory website. I don't want these backlinks, so I can just copy the URL from here. Let me scroll down, and here is the another spam. Let me open that. So make sure to open the URL and check whether the website is spammy or genuine website. So you can copy all those URLs and put it in the disavow tool. So you can find various free backlink checker tools online where you can check the backlink profile of your website and easily find out the spammy backlinks for your website. I prefer to use the Ahrefs. It is give the complete list of backlinks for your website, so that you can identify which one is spam, and you can easily tell Google that these are the backlinks I don't trust. So please exclude those links while evaluating my website. So I hope you have the idea how to find these spammy backlinks on your website and how to remove those backlinks from Google. And if you found this type of content helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.